Hello everyone. So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to graph this quadratic function, and we want to do it using a table of values, okay? So let's see here. So let me just zoom in. And so we have f of x equals 3 minus 2x squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a table of values. Typically I would go ahead. I'm gonna do from, let's see, from -4 to 4. Actually, no, from -2 to 2. So I'm just gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna do, so let's see here. 1 second, guys. Okay, so here we have a table of values, and I'm gonna do it, like I said, from -2 to 2. So let's see here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to go from when x equals -2, and we're gonna evaluate f of -2. So f of -2 is gonna be 3 minus 2 times -2 quantity squared. And then this becomes 3 minus 2 times 4. -2 squared is 4. And then this becomes 3 minus 8, which becomes -5. So we would put that in for when x equals -2, y is equal to -5. And so we're going to go down. So then we have when x equals -1, we have f of -1 is equal to 3 minus 2 times -1 squared. This becomes 3 minus 2 times 1, which is just 3 minus 2, which equals 1. So when x equals -1, y is equal to 1. Okay. And then we're going to do at 0. Now obviously, so for 0, for 0, we're going to do f of 0. So we're going to do the same thing, and until we get all the way to 2, right? So we're basically just evaluating every part here, and this is one of the ways in which we can graph quadratic functions. It is not always used, but for this, we can use it. So we have 3 minus, and 2 times 0 squared. Well, this just becomes 0, and it's going to be 3. So when x equals 0, y is equal to 3. And then when x is equal to 1, we have f of 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 1 quantity squared. And this becomes 3 minus 2, which is just 1. And then when x equals 2, we have, let me actually do this here. We have f of 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 times 2 squared. So then this becomes 3 minus 2 times 4, which is 3 minus 8, which again, it's -5. So then we're going to go ahead and draw our graph. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so here we have our graph, and now what we're going to do is the following. So we're going to plot the points, and the points that we are given are -2, -5. So we're going to just write them down. We have -1, 1. We have 0, 3, 1, 1, and 2, -5. So the first one we're going to plot is -2, -5. So it's going to be about right over here, and let me do it in blue. So we're going to put it right here. And then we have -1. So we said -1, comma 1. So we're going to plot it right here. And then we also had 0, comma 3. So 0, comma 3, which is right here. And then 1, comma 1. And 2, comma -5. So then, as you guys can see, we're going to go ahead and draw a smooth curve through the points. And it's not drawn to scale, obviously. It's not perfect, but as long as it looks close enough. And so, as you guys can see, if you remember, the vertex of a parabola is always the maximum or minimum. And as you can see, since it also crosses the y-axis, the y-intercept is 0, 3, and the vertex is 0, 3. So I just want to make that kind of that pattern that since the vertex lands on the y-intercept, they're both the same coordinate. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this helps. And also, please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.